The countdown to ISE 2025 is officially on. We're here at the Fira in Barcelona as we get ready for the big show. There's going to be more than 1,600 exhibitors spread across 92,000 square meters of floor space. But are you ready for ISE in Barcelona? Rise Show TV has put together a helpful guide to get you through the show. Whether you're coming here to the show or if you're heading out into the city to catch some culture, it's a great idea to get yourself a free travel pass. This is valid for the metro, for the train and the buses, giving you up to 5 days of travel across 120 hours. It's free to pick up and you can get it here at the Fira, or you can get your pass at the airport or at the Plaza de España. All you have to do is scan your badge. Also new for ISE 2025 is Hall 8.1, which features a robotics and drone arena. This area brings a new level of excitement and energy to the northern end of the Fira, which, if the southern access is busy, makes the northern access a great place to come in. But also don't forget that the east access is open this year, giving you more options to get into the Fira quickly, to get into the thick of the action. Planning your day at the show can be overwhelming sometimes, so it's great to get the ISE app. With access to a floor plan, a list for the agenda and speakers, as well as an exhibitor list, my show planner, networking, and even a little chatbot feature to help you navigate the show floor more efficiently. You can even download your badge onto your phone to scan and print here at the show. ISE 2025 is also bringing back its famous tech tours, giving visitors an opportunity to get out into Barcelona and see AV technologies in the wild. With new venues and new technologies to see, there is certainly something for everybody on these tours. And of course, don't forget that Rise Show TV will be here all week, bringing you the latest coverage on the show floor, be it product launches and thought leadership will be here to capture it all. If you want to meet the Rise Show TV team, please swing by the Innovate stand at 3P 800, where you can meet our journalists, get yourself a snack, a drink, and more importantly, a nice comfy seat as you go. We'll be here all week to bring you the latest coverage as it unfolds here at ISE 2025 in Barcelona. See you there.